Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glutathione Collagen Glow Gummies. To begin, always check the product label for the exact recommended daily dosage. Most brands suggest 1 or 2 gummies per day. Remember to chew each gummy completely before swallowing to ensure your body can absorb the beneficial ingredients effectively. For the best results, make taking your gummies a consistent part of your daily routine, perhaps with breakfast or before bed. These gummies offer a powerful combination for your skin. Glutathione is known for its antioxidant properties, helping to detoxify your body and promote a more radiant complexion. Collagen, on the other hand, is vital for maintaining skin's firmness and moisture, reducing the appearance of fine lines. Taking your gummies with a meal can often improve the absorption of these key ingredients, making them even more effective. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great tips. Quick recommendation: glowing skin starts from within, and staying hydrated is key. The Owala water bottle makes it easy to drink enough water throughout your day. Check the description for a link to grab yours and discover other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's important to set realistic expectations when starting any new supplement. While many users report seeing initial improvements in skin texture and brightness within 4 to 8 weeks, individual results can certainly vary. Factors like your overall diet, hydration levels, and lifestyle choices play a significant role. For the best possible outcome, continue to nourish your body with healthy foods and plenty of water. Before incorporating any new supplement into your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Proper storage is also crucial. Keep your gummies in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Always stick to the recommended daily dosage to ensure safety and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.